When I was 21, I never once doubted कि मेरे साथ कुछ अच्छा नहीं होगा. I always knew from the bottom of my heart that yes, everything is going to happen good with me. जो भी मैंने सोचा है, जो भी मेरे dreams है, aspirations है, सारे सच होने वाले हैं. At that time, whatever I wanted, whatever I was hoping and wishing for myself, were absolutely out of control. बहुत बहुत बड़ी चीजें तब मांग रहा था मैं अपनी. But I never ever stopped believing. I always believed with whole heart that yes, it is going to happen with me. Not even 1% of self-doubt did I ever have in myself. And there used to be some days when these things used to look absolutely far-fetched. No, you cannot be successful because you don't have any resources to become successful. You don't have any ways to become successful. All you need to do is जो बाकी के लोग बोले वो काम करना है. तुमको confined environment में ही रहना है और तुमको restricted ही रहना है. But even on those days, I used to always feel probably it is taking a lot of time and it should happen faster. That's it. But for some stupid reason, the people around me, the people who are close to me, the people who I used to share these dreams with or aspirations with, they used to self-doubt. मतलब जो dream कर रहा है वो ही doubt नहीं कर रहा है, लेकिन उसके आजू बाजू जो लोग हैं जिनसे वो कुछ मांग भी नहीं रहा है, I am expecting nothing out of them, they are doubting that यार it will not happen. So 9 years later and a certain amount of experience in hand, I can say that self-doubt is a disease. It is purely a disease. So people around you, when they doubt themselves, they think that everybody else should doubt themselves. So people around you, they are not very confident. They cannot see their dreams clearly. Not that they are very bad people or negative people. No. But it is a bad trait to have. If you really want to, if you absolutely want to grow in life, then first of all, you need to keep away from people like these. ये कैसे काम करता है ना, जब body language becomes very negative. Once your body language becomes very negative, for example, if you're in a business deal situation and you're dealing with a person and your body language is very negative and you're continuously doubting yourself, that person is not going to find you very trustworthy. When that person is not going to find you very trustworthy, he is not going to deal with you. And then at the end of the day, when the deal does not go through, what you're going to think is, देखा मैंने सोचा था ना कि ये नहीं होगा, अब ये नहीं हो रहा है. See, that means my doubt was correct. Bullshit. It was you yourself who thought negatively, who acted negatively, who showed your body language that way, and that is why it did not go through. So if you really want to succeed in life, if you really want to achieve something in life, you should absolutely reject the idea of self-doubt. You should absolutely reject the people who are very doubtful of you. And even on the worst days, when you are facing a lot of doubt, don't think whether it will happen with me or no. Just think, ये कब होगा.